Alright, so we got our new toolbox and we got our dish tray. And we're going to make some kind of plier rack, so stay tuned. So my thoughts here are cut here and here, cut up to, say, here, then cut all along here on the back side. Then we will go and cut out these ribs for sure along this side, and then we'll be able to set our pliers in. So we got our dish rack all cut up. So we got like a wavy one. Line things up in, and then we have one there that we can line up pliers in. Well, we got two really. We got a tall one and a short one. Might have to make this one a little bit shorter. Hard to say. We'll see. So on the edges, we got these little thick leftover pieces, so we're gonna sand them down. So this is what my plier dryer looks like before I put my little racks in. And this is how it would look after I get all my pliers in. Organize them a bit so it frees up quite a bit of space around it. So I'll probably be able to put more up over here. Frees up the drawer quite a bit. So if you need an organizer, get a plastic dishwasher drying tray.